Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's good and good day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Come with it. Come with it. Give it to
Boys, back with another video. Today we're going on the back roads in the M4 and in Stevens M2. You guys probably saw in the intro a little bit of what's kind of going on. We got Steven's car right here, little M2, Laguna Seca, silver wheels. And you got mine over here. Got the frozen white with the white wheels. Super nice outside. Hoping to get some nice views. We'll stop and also kind of just pick up, talk a little bit.
All right, so this is the route we're about to take. This is gonna take us through the mountains of Connecticut, the really crazy wilderness of northern Connecticut. We might see a bear, we might see a cheetah.
We saw a deer earlier.
Yeah. Where'd he go?
He ran in that way.
He saw you and ran away. Yeah, I was gonna say, he saw a fucked up M4 and was out. Nice slide by Adam. I rated a 8.4. What's that? Is that a cop down there?
Holy shit!
Go faster! No, I'm good. I'm just like. You never had those grades being again?
Back road run has been successfully completed. Cars are still intact. That was probably one of the most fun things that I've done recently, 100%. If you have a fast car and never taken it to a back road or any just windy road in general, I highly recommend go. Take the back road, take your cars, drive them down the back roads, beat on your car, enjoy your car, because it's just a material object. These things, when you die, these things are just gonna go to junkyards and rust out, turn to dust. Same thing like us, right? So if you have a nice car and you're just keeping it nice, yeah, you might save some money when you end up going to sell it, but the joy, the memories from taking these out with your boys on the back roads, just ripping them through, it's probably one of the most fun things you could ever do, in my opinion at least. I mean, look at these things. Like, how could you have one of these cars and not bring them to the back road, rip them down, and not have fun with it? Like, I don't get how people just leave these cars in the garage to just sit there and collect dust. So enjoy your car if you have one. If you guys are trying to get one of these nice cars, keep working at it, keep grinding, because you will get the car that you want, you will get the penthouse that you want, you will get the house that you want, you'll get everything that you want if you just stick to whatever it is that you want to do. Put your mind on something, stick to it, don't give up. You'll get one of these cars, you get one even better, right? Maybe you get a GT3, maybe you get a Lambo. Keep grinding, and if you do have one of these cars, take it out, enjoy it, don't let them just sit there.
Inspirational shit.
I'm telling everyone that if they have a cool car, that they should take them out and beat on them and enjoy them and not let them just sit there.
Why would you let them sit there? What are you, saving mileage?
That's what I'm saying.
You bought the car to beat the piss out of it, so beat the piss out of it. Red line a day keeps the mechanic away. That's rule number 1.
I was saying, beat on your car, enjoy it, take it on your back, take it on the back road. If you have a back road,
kick the back end out, slide into a bush,
into a tree, wrap the car around a tree. Have
How
fun
are you
with
gonna
it.
learn if you never wrap a car around a tree?
Somebody's got to do it.
Dude, let's go back to your high rise.
All right, so
Penthouse.
we're gonna pick up the vlog back at my crib in 3, 2, 1. Get the car you want. Keep grinding if you want one of these. If you want a better car than these, even if you want an AMG, those are a little gay, but if you want one of these, stay locked in, bro. Stay with it every day and you'll get one of these. I promise you, on literal everything, bro. It will happen. Just stick with it. I did the same shit every day without seeing any success, and I made this shit happen. I made this shit happen, bro. With a computer, an internet connection, and a phone. Just pick one, stay with it, and do it every day. And I promise you, you'll win. It's about playing the game the longest. The ones that play the game the longest are the ones that end up winning. I guess this is what winning looks at a smaller level. I'm still not at the level that I want to be at, but I will get there. You know why?
I studied, bro.
Because I'm gonna keep playing the game.
Hello, buddy.
Girl or boy?
Girl.
Girl. What's her name?
Andy.
Andy. What?
Yeah, she's a little mad when you stop petting her.
I gotta keep petting you. We better go home.
We at the crib. Is the crib aesthetic? Chat, is my crib aesthetic or no? I believe so. All right, boys, I completely forgot to shoot the outro the other day. I literally got home and immediately sat down at the desk to start editing this video that you guys are watching right now. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more like back road driving type of videos, we can go ahead and do that. If you guys want to see more city type videos, let me know. But if you guys have any other recommendations, just let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the whole deal. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.